And now, a special segment with our own Mike Lambert.
Hey guys, I'm at the Portland Ikea, the largest furniture store in the world. They seem to be doing all right. It's the middle of the day on a work day, and the place is packed. Let's go in and see what makes this business so amazing. Whoa, check out this kitchen, huh? Ton of lighting options. There's the spot with all the plates and knickknacks. A lot of impulse buys in here. Bearskin rug. They're totally in fashion right now. These guys have a ton of recycling options here. Let's see. And it really looks like they care about the environment and that they are generally interested in sustainability. Oh, what? Frozen meatballs? Are you serious? Whoa, I'm getting a little hungry. Let's get me some meatballs, huh? Whoa, check out those meatballs. $49 for a boulder. This must be a boulder. Wonder if I can put it together. A lot of panda bears. Pretty cheap too. It's only $89 for a Torrendo Ade. I think that means table. Alright, this place is like a maze. Pretty sure I'm lost here forever. And here in Ikea's warehouse, you can see it's ginormous. You can really also get lost in here. Ikea is a supply chain genius, and it's one of the things that makes the company great. You can see everything is flat packed, so all the furniture you go and you set it up at home, and cuts down on a lot of the delivery costs. It's extremely efficient for the company. All right, guys. Well, that is it. I'm here at the exit where everyone is loading up their furniture, bringing it home. And so, thanks so much for taking this tour with me. I'll let the group take it away and let you know a little bit more about Ikea. Thanks.